Today, we're going to talk about the Opportunity Fund. What's this guy doing? The idea behind the Opportunity Fund is to leave a little cash sitting there. And when opportunities show up, you can take advantage of short-term opportunities with some cash. Now, these are not intended to be day trading, but instead just short-term news events. But before we get into that, and update on the current one, quick disclaimer, reminder to everybody. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And with that, let's take a look at how our Opportunity Fund is doing. Alrighty, so it's June 11th. Not May, it's no longer May. June 11th, 2026. And this is going to be an Opportunity Fund update. Quick look at all the portfolios. LH is still doing bad. I do need to look at possibly swapping out one position there. I'll get into that maybe tomorrow. Our Opportunity Fund, currently tracking the hantavirus, is doing pretty well. And the idea of the Opportunity Fund, like I said, is to leave some cash there. And then as opportunities show up, we invest in them. So these are like a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months. And then we put the money back in cash. So it'll have periods of flat, it'll go up, flat, etc. Ideally, it keeps going up, but this is an example. It just jumps around, but there's flat periods in between activity. So we want to look for opportunities. Idea is to get in, get out. These are mostly macro events in the news. Something happens in the news that has a future positive or negative effect, and then we can buy or sell that stock going forward for a short period of time and ideally make some money on that move. One easy one that I always keep an eye on in the background is a stock market crash. Historically, the stock market's always recovered, so this is a relatively safe one. If we get a big enough stock market correction, then we will get in at the bottom, make some money on the recovery. One of the best recent examples of this is the coronavirus. The coronavirus hit. It had a big impact on several different companies, pretty much all of them. And this was a good time to get in, write it down, and then it was clearly not going to last that long. It's definitely an overreaction on the way in, maybe an overreaction on the way out, but it recovered relatively fast. So there was money to make on the way in and the way out of this one. The current one is the hantavirus. It's actually one word, but I don't know why they put virus in the middle of the name. This one showed up in the news May 7th. We took advantage of that. The idea is the hantavirus will have a huge impact on the cruise ships. Behind the scenes, people have been canceling. The idea is to pick a highly traded stock, and in this case, we picked Royal Caribbean. We bought a put or a couple puts on it, and we've watched those ride. And you can see here how the trend is. The stock initially went way down, so the put went way up. I was looking for an actual double before I was going to sell half of it. The idea was sell half when it doubles and then sell the rest later. It never did double. The stock has now recovered. We're up a little bit today. The idea is to wait at least 30 days on this. These things typically take some time to sink in. Wait for the next quarterly update. The next quarterly update's not for a little over a month. So we got another month of watching this thing. But ideally, come July 28th, the company will do a next quarterly report, and they will announce, hey, we've been selling slightly fewer cruise ship packages than we did before. Earnings are under expectations. Future earnings are going to be under expectations, and this thing will take a hit if that does indeed occur. The reality is the effect of this may be way less than anticipated, and it probably should have taken some profits early. I might look back on this going, probably should sell today, at least make some money, but we'll see. I want to wait till that quarterly report. And that's it for a quick hantavirus update. And with that, I will bid everybody top of the morning. Adieu. Coffee's good this morning.